Hey there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the Tax Deduction Tracker template, step by step. We're going to start on the dashboard. This is your big picture view of every deduction you've tracked throughout the year. Right at the top, you'll see your total deductions and your estimated tax savings. We'll use an example. If you've logged $8,000 in deductions and you're in the 22% bracket, you'll see roughly $1,760 in estimated savings. Charts break down your deductions by category so you can see where your biggest write-offs are coming from. Now let's move to the expense log. This is the heart of the template where every deductible business expense gets recorded. You enter the date, a description, the amount, the IRS category, and your payment method. Say you bought a new laptop for $950 on March 3rd for your freelance business. Log it here under Equipment and the template takes care of organizing it. All the categories are based on IRS guidelines, so when tax time rolls around, everything is already sorted the way your accountant or tax software expects. Next up is the mileage log. If you drive for business at all, this tab is going to save you serious money. You enter each trip with the date, destination, purpose, and your odometer readings, start and end. The template automatically calculates your miles driven and applies the current IRS standard mileage rate to figure out your deduction. No more trying to remember trips from 6 months ago. A 24-mile round trip to a client meeting might only be $16, but those trips add up to thousands over a full year. Here's where it gets interesting. The Home Office tab. If you work from home, you have two methods to calculate your deduction, and this tab handles both. The simplified method is based on square footage, up to 300 square feet at $5 per square foot for a maximum of $1,500. The actual method calculates the real percentage of your home used exclusively for business and applies that to your rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and maintenance costs. Enter your numbers for both, and the template shows you which method gives you the bigger deduction. Easy choice? Now let's look at the Quarterly Taxes tab. If you're self-employed, you need to make estimated tax payments 4 times a year in April, June, September, and January. This tab takes your income and deductions so far and estimates what you should send in each quarter. It takes the guesswork out of those payments so you're not underpaying and getting hit with penalties. Next up is the Categories tab. Think of this as your built-in reference guide. It lists every IRS deduction category along with the matching Schedule C line numbers. If you're ever wondering whether something is an office expense or a supply or which line it belongs on, just check here. It keeps your deductions organized exactly the way the IRS wants to see them. And finally, the Instructions tab. This covers how to use the template effectively and reminders about what documentation to keep alongside your entries. The IRS can ask for receipts, so this tab helps you build the habit of saving everything you need. Get the Tax Deduction Tracker template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy saving on taxes.